And welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on a W220 Mercedes Benz. This is a 2005 S500 4MATIC model, but the procedure is just as applicable to many other models of that era that I have in the beginning of the video. If you're getting the codes P0101, P0172, and P0175, P as in Papa, then chances are, or also along with the symptoms of car idling rough in park, or when you're at traffic light with the brakes applied, when you're on reverse gear or drive, but the car is not moving. So if there's rough idle, or it seems when it gets really bad, it seems like the car will stall, or even if the car does stall, if you want to read your codes and see if you're getting any of these three, 101, 172, and 175, then it's time to either clean your MAF sensor, which you can do through the mesh there, through this screen, or you can take it out and replace it. There are quite a few videos out there that shows you how to replace this, but none of them will show you the level of detail and putting it back together, which is crucial. This bracket that goes around the neck of the MAF instrument itself, you can, depending on the age of the car, and of course these cars are old, they can easily break. So unless you have a replacement from the dealer, I don't think you can get that from other auto parts stores. Then you want to just watch this video and I'll show you in detail how to do that. This rubber gasket, it's got grooves. It goes, it has tabs that go into the grooves there. I think there are a total of 4 of those. So make sure when you replace it, you kind of clean it and put it back together. This bracket, it has 2 handles on 2 sides, and those handles have to go on the there's a clip in the back, of course, that you have to take out, and you need a screwdriver to take it apart, as I showed before. But when you put it back together, you kind of press it in, and you hear the clip in the back closest to the back of the engine bay, or closest to the dash. So once you hear the click, you kind of press it in, and then you put the 2 handles right there and right there, and make sure you take a look at it, that you have direct sight of it, and it's kind of hard to do that, but it goes right around those 2 pieces of metal, and then you need a needle nose pliers, and you have to place it exactly where I have. You don't need curved pliers. I've done that so that I can show that on the video. And you press it in. If it doesn't go in, then you can help it with a screwdriver towards the bottom of that and kind of press it, and that's when it will click. And you will know when it's tight. Here I'm showing it in slow motion. While you're holding it, you kind of press that forward, and it will go in. It has to go right there. And so it's really very simple. This one was purchased online from autohouseaz.com, not a sponsor, and That was the cheapest for $98. It's $99. It's made in Germany as of August of 2021. And it makes a world of difference. You will not believe the ride afterwards. And of course, it will help with fuel economy and gas mileage. But don't forget the connector, the electric connector. It has two taps on the two sides when you take it out. And I hope you find this video useful. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.